सो हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज सौरभ खासपुरी। अगर आप मुझे पहली बार देख रहे हो तो लेट मी गिव यू अ क्विक रियलिटी चेक दैट आई एम एन एडवर्टाइजिंग कोच एंड कंसल्टेंट एंड आई हैव बीन इन द गेम फॉर अबाउट 15 years नाउ। एंड मैंने अपनी लाइफ में 20 करोड़ के आसपास के एड्स रन करे हैं एंड द रेवेन्यू विच आई जनरेटेड फ्रॉम दोज एड्स दैट इज समवेयर अराउंड 200 करोड़। अब इतना पैसा मार्केट में लगाने के बाद एक चीज तो क्लियर है, एडवर्टाइजिंग उतना टफ नहीं है जितना लोगों ने बना दिया है। इट इज प्योर साइकोलॉजी, हाउ टू कन्वर्ट अ ह्यूमन to buy from your brand. But today I'm not just talking about ads, I'm talking to the coaches and high premium business owners who are stuck. So मैं आपको honestly एक बात बताता हूँ, most of the people are playing the wrong game. आप 5,000 या 20,000 के प्रोग्राम्स बेचने में अपनी जान लगा रहे हो thinking it's easier. But let me tell you, low ticket coaching is broken at sales. You end up chasing engagement and repeating basics instead of managing outcomes. Today I'm going to give you the complete knowledge on how to build a digital sales engine to sell high ticket programs of around 1 lakh to 5 lakh. That to be predictably, no fluff, no motivation, just the system. Now first thing is why high ticket? Now people often ask me, sort of high ticket क्यों? लोग सोचते हैं it is just about more money. नहीं यार, it's about filtering chaos. High ticket program attracts non-committed buyers and refund seekers. High ticket buyers on the other hand are buying decision safety. At the 1 lakh to 5 lakh level, they assume you have the information and the skill. What they are actually paying for is reduced risk. They want someone who has actually seen this before. And if your marketing screams, I'll teach you everything, तो बॉस आप ऑलरेडी लो टिकट पोजीशन हो चुके हो। हाई टिकट सर्वाइव्स ऑन ट्रस्ट, प्रिसीजन एंड अथॉरिटी. इट अलाउज यू टू लिवरेज because you work with fewer clients who actually take action, ask better questions and implement what you say. Financial commitment creates seriousness. So let's get into the how you don't just launch a high ticket program, you engineer it. I call this the digital sales engine. It has two phases. Phase 1 is strategy, system and scale, where you don't run a single ad until this foundation is locked. And next is phase 2, that is conversions and revenue. Now let's start with phase 1. Over here there are 4 steps. Step number 1, product and market research. This is the most critical layer. We don't work on assumption. We identify the niche clarity, exactly किसे बेचना है और किसे इग्नोर करना है. You need to target decision makers with buying intent and create an offer that aligns with real market psychology, not just what you feel like selling. Next is go to market strategy. यहाँ आप content volume की बात नहीं करते, आप sales leverage की बात करते हैं. I design video sales funnel and scripts focus entirely on conversion. Every video is ideated to align with where the buyer is in the journey. Step 3, digital assets and funnel. That is the tech part. Well, देखिए, system ready होने चाहिए demand handle करने के लिए. It includes a high converting landing page, CRM setup for tracking and calendar integration. हर lead track होनी चाहिए और route होनी चाहिए. Now, if you have heard clearly that we are using calendar, why? Because forms fill करना बहुत पुराना तरीका हो गया है. Maximum data auto fill पर आता है and users भूल जाते हैं कि उनसे कोई फॉर्म भी भरवाया गया था. इसलिए we only and only go for calendar booking so that user को थोड़ा effort डालना पड़े. इसलिए maximum users filter out हो जाते हैं. And then comes step 4, that is advertising setup and launch. अब आती है ads की बारी. Pixel setup, conversion tags and creative. Well, once this is done, we take data from our research sheet to do the targeting. Now one mistake everyone is doing is to either they keep budgets very less or very high. So the right budget to start with is 400 to 600 rupees maximum for any ad. And then comes the ads creative. Now आप video ads and graphic ads दोनों चला सकते हो. However, best is the combination of both. Start करने के लिए at least 3 video and 5 creative you should have, and you will not choose instant form for WhatsApp to generate the lead, but you need to select lead generation and that to be on landing page so that users leaves Instagram or Facebook environment and comes to your space. And now your content will gonna play the game and get the interested customer who's ready to take action or curious about your product can actually click on the link and goes to calendar. Now comes phase 2, that is conversion and revenue. So phase 1 से lead तो आ गई, but revenue phase 2 में बनता है. Execution and follow-ups. You have to make sure leads leak नहीं होनी चाहिए. Now over here, first part is calendar booking receipt. Lead CRM में आते ही status log होने चाहिए. Then comes call confirmation. मीटिंग से पहले कस्टमर्स से कंफर्म करो, इससे नो शो ड्रास्टिकली रिड्यूस हो जाते हैं. देन कंसल्टेशन कॉल. कॉल खत्म होते ही CRM अपडेट करो और पोर्टफोलियो या प्रपोजल तुरंत शेयर करो. देन कम्स नर्चर प्रोसेस. वेल, मोस्ट हाई टिकट डील्स फॉलो अप में क्लोज होती है. अगर रिस्पॉन्स नहीं है तो यूज व्हाट्सएप और कॉल्स एटलीस्ट 3 days. इंटरेस्टेड लीड्स को कोल्ड मत होने देना. देन कम्स क्लोजिंग. एड्रेस द ऑब्जेक्शन, collect the payment and start onboarding. This framework removes dependency on लक और वायरल कंटेंट। ये एक इंजीनियरिंग प्रोसेस, तो मेक श्योर यू यूज इट वेरी डेलिकेटली। Now the real outcome, that is identity shift. जब आप इस लेवल पे काम करते हो तो आप सिर्फ सर्विस नहीं बेच रहे, you are delivering a compression of mistakes. High ticket clients pay you to borrow your X amount of experience, so they don't repeat expensive mistakes. इससे एक identity shift आता है. It forces your client to stop hiding behind excuses and start thinking like operator. If they aren't ready for that responsibility, they shouldn't be buying high ticket in the first place. Look, I'll be very blunt. High ticket coaching isn't hard because of marketing. It's hard because it exposes weak positioning, shallow expertise, and broken system. Fix those and the price stops being the problem. If you are a coach trying to market a 1 lakh to 5 lakh program and you are tired of chasing leads, I'm going to break down this entire digital sales engine setup step by step on this channel. So subscribe बटन पे क्लिक करो because मैं एक पूरी सीरीज लेके आने वाला हूँ जहाँ पे मैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप लोगों को समझाने वाला हूँ कि कैसे हाई टिकट क्लाइंट्स को क्लोज करा जाता है, कैसे लीड जनरेट करी जाती है, एंड एवरीथिंग. Thank you very much for watching this entire video. I'll see you soon. Cheers. Bye.